Welcome back to another video. My name is Derek and today we're going to be going over some of the new updates on the website along with some future things to come. So let's get started. First and foremost, we hope that you had a chance to meet us at the ExpoMobile in Medellín on the 17th and 18th. You would have found us next to the VIP zone, so if you happen to have dropped by, we greatly appreciate it, and we hope to see you at future shows. Now in stock, we have the iPhone 16 Pro AQ7 displays with 120 Hz refresh rate, with a great price allowing you to offer a much more affordable repair to your customers. I'm sure you've seen our Casper products, but there have been some new additions, so I highly recommend you check them out. Of course, the screen protectors, the camera protectors, and our back glass protectors as well. If you haven't seen our Casper Pro video, I highly recommend that you check it out so you can see the quality of the Casper Pro tempered glass. We have great deals on over 1,700 pre-owned Galaxy A13 devices, ranging from grade A to grade D, allowing you to offer an affordable option to your customers who have devices that are unfixable or are looking for a cheaper option. Now in stock, we have MacBook IC chips, such as the BGA-IC chipset, compatible with the MacBook Pro 13 and 15-inch touch bar computers, along with other IC chips, SMC IC chips, Power IC chips, pre-balled M1 chips, and M2 chips, M3 chips, and power supply charging IC chips, and a bunch more. And if you weren't already aware, MobileSentrix is now integrated with RepairPlugin, allowing for faster quotes, less admin work, and more bookings. So if you're looking to streamline the whole system, I highly recommend you check this out. And last but not least, we have lower prices on our pre-owned Galaxy S22 5G phones for grade A, B, and C, allowing another option for your customers that are into the Androids. If there's a specific product or tool that you see on our website that you'd like to see a video made of, comment it down below. Or if there's a specific repair that you'd like to see, leave it there as well. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.